Okay, hi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, you know what? So today we are going to Darjeeling. Yes, so I have my train. I have my train. I guess around 8. Like I will get out of my home by 5:15, and I'll reach at Garya station by 5:15. So that's the plan. Now it's 11:30. I haven't done my packing. I know I'm special. Yeah, like I haven't done my packing basically. Like let me show you guys. So that's the condition. Okay. So like I plan to do this video and the packing and all yesterday evening, but then I had a severe breakdown yesterday. I don't know why. I know why, because okay, so I was thinking what clothes to take. Like I was thinking the outfits I'm going to wear. So basically I'm going to stay there for 3 days. Like today is 28. I'll be there Darjeeling by tomorrow, morning. Then 29th I'm going to stay there. 29th, 30, 31st evening I'm going to be off. Like I'll be at the train, and by 1 I'll be home. Okay, so that's the plan. So I will need 3 outfits, and I was just planning what outfit should I wear and what kind of videos I'm going to click and everything. And then I got confused, like what kind of outfit should I pick and what kind of video should I click. Like what is my actual niche, like what I like what do people would like to see. Like would they like to see this scenario or me in the video, or like what will I write some poetry, or what will I do. I was like so confused about all the thing, and I just couldn't take it anymore. And moreover, I don't have any followers, like very less subscribers. So I was like, what the fuck, like why I am so feeling tensed. It was a whole fucking breakdown. Then I just put aside everything, all the packing and stuff. I put my camera off, because I was looking so fucking shit in night because of the fucking camera quality, or I don't know, my face, or also because there was no light. So yeah, it was shit. So that's why we haven't done any packing yet. We have to do it right now. I have just 5 hours left, and I have many things to do. All the packings, what things I need, I don't know what. And also I have to go out with my father for some work. And I thought of doing some exercise. I don't know, because maybe it will lift my everything, my mood and everything. Okay, so let's start. Sometimes I wonder if I will ever be famous. Like, will the subscribers count will ever grow up? Like, I don't know, maybe this YouTube is not for me. I don't know, nothing is for me. I don't like studying. I don't like anything. And you know what is the toxic traits that I'm carrying right now? I'm thinking that this one fucking tour, this one fucking trip will just change my life. It will bring a new light, a new hope. It will show me direction. I will find my purpose and what I'm looking for. Everything will be clear. My minds will be clear while sitting on the top of the mountains. I don't know what. Yeah, but I'm still hoping that when I come back, I will have a peace of mind, and I'll start working. Seriously, I will start working, and I will know what I need to know. Okay, so now the outfits that I have thought for like 3 days. Okay, first there is this. I'm going to wear a skirt, the pencil skirt that I bought. I'm going to wear that. I know there will be cold, but I want this picture where like near the cafe, near a cafe. There is a cafe. I don't remember the name, but I have seen so many people going there and clicking pictures. So I'm going to go there, and on that day I'm going to wear the pencil skirt, and on a top, like top me, I will wear this thing, and I have stockings. So I'm going to take that, and with that I'm going to pair up these things with boot that I have outside my room, outside the house. I can't bring it inside. I don't know. Let's see. Like this is one outfit that I have thought, and the second one is is I'm going to wear a crop top, black crop top, a plain black crop top. This thing, plain black crop top with this jacket, black and white jacket, and high waist jeans. And with that I'm going to again pair it, and this is the thing, high waist jeans, okay, with this the jacket and crop top, black crop top. It's for one day, okay. Second day I have this this thing, okay. It is warm, it is leather, not leather, whatever, I don't know, okay. This thing and pencil skirt and the stockings. It's done, okay. 2 outfits. I think that's it, right? If I had that thick slacks that that people wear under stockings, it would have been nice, but I don't have that. I don't know what will I do if the cold will be unbearable to wear the pencil skirt. I guess I can wear this, the black thing, the black pant with the stockings. I don't know. Let's see what is waiting for us. But that's it. That's the 2 things that I'm taking. It's final. And take this thing, this giant covering for me. Like it's the jacket. My father bought it for my brother. I don't know why. What he thought, like what my brother would do with this thing. But I'm taking this. So like if the cold is way too much, I'm going to wear this, and I'll be safe. That's it. Then I'm taking this. It's warm obviously, and this thing, I guess I will wear it at night. I don't know. These are some woolen stuff I'm going to pair up with, and this is the another jacket type of thing, like sweater. A black t-shirt, this thing, and this 2 pants for night. I guess I won't take this. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I fucking don't. The point is what I'm going to wear on the sunrise day. Like what? And also, I have this thing. Okay. I have this shirt. I have this shirt. Like there's 2 options, okay, for you guys. This shirt and this white shirt, but I don't know what I'm going to pair up with these things. Like I have this crop top, this crop top. Hi. Okay, I have another outfit. Yes, I'm not going to take that silver shirt because you know I don't think I will wear that. Yeah, so I'm going to wear this crop top. Yes, with this the pant and the white shirt that I have never worn other than one time. But yeah, I'm going to take this, and if there is too much cold, I don't know, like if I can pull any of the outfits that I have planned. But yeah, that's it. That's the plan. I have made 3 outfits, and then I'm going to just take this. This is going to cover me all the time, and all the things that I'm going to wear at night. That's it. Now I have to take the undergarments, the essentials, toiletries. Yeah, bye. You know what, guys? Like, this is the first time I'm going to go out. I'm going to travel without my parents, without my father. I'm going to go all alone, obviously with my friends, but yeah, like that's why like even now also, like my father is like, do you want to go, like are you tensed? Like he is more tense than me, because yeah, I haven't gone outside without him for like never. And you know, I'm going to turn 20, so obviously I'm going to turn 20. I have to take things on my own. I should travel. I have to be my own, right? Like I'm 20, so yeah. But you know, like the thing is, like even with my parents we haven't traveled much. Like we have gone to Mayapur, like you know, like in my childhood days, whenever we used to like long for to go somewhere, like we want to go on a vacation, we used to go to Mayapur. It was such an amazing place. Like the place that is right now, it was even much better earlier. Like yeah, like Mayapur was like heaven before, even now, but it is now like more crowded. And yeah, but whatever. Yeah, we have went Mayapur for 5-6 times, and then I went I've gone to Agartala, because there's a family there. So yeah, just that's Agartala, Mayapur, and Birati, because there is this pishi of mine, like not oh my own pishi, but yeah, whatever. This relative, we have went there for we have like for a few times, but yeah, that's it. Like, and we haven't actually went for a vacation, like never. Like every time I used to tell my father, like no, everyone is going, so let's go out to a vacation, on a vacation. He used to say, like, you know what, let's not just waste our money, the middle class thing. Like like when you will grow up and you can speak Hindi, then you can take us, you can lead us to different places. Like when you grow up, then we can go on vacations. And you know, the irony is I can't speak Hindi, my brother can, I guess, but I can't. But the point is, I have never actually went on vacations. We haven't. And maybe the reason I was so anxious before, like the whole time. Why are they shouting so much? Okay. The whole time, because I haven't. Ah! और बोली उसके साथ क्या किया जाए. Hey. Hey. Yeah, so that's the point. I was anxious the whole time because I haven't gone anywhere other than these places. Like it's the first time I'm going to the hills and whatever. I don't know what I'll do. And this like whenever I'm just turning on the camera, they're fucking talking. Mombatti le lo. Uh, uh, yeah, that's it. Like I was anxious the whole point because I haven't, like it's my first time going out on a vacation. The two things, like first time I'm going on a vacation, and also first time I'm going on a vacation on my own. So that's it. I guess I'm going to start living my own life, whatever. Okay. Also, like I have decided what to pack and what not. Then I'll just ask my father to do the packing. Like he will put all the stuff by rolling and stuff. And I have to take Aadhaar card, and also many things, makeup stuff. Okay, that's it. I'm going to go to the bank now. That's it. I don't have much time, and if I keep on blabbering on camera, then I'm going to be super late and I can't. Okay, wish me luck and bye. Bye. You know what? I didn't do my breakfast because I was so panicking, and now I can't climb up the stairs. My head is. Nah. Right now, my father just washed this bag, my school bag. I'm going to take this along with me because the trolley that I have packed all my clothes in is way too small. I have to take the toiletries and makeup stuff. So I'm going to use this thing. Yeah, but the problem is now it's 1 o'clock and it's dripping of water. Will it be dry till 4? I don't know. Let's see. Or else we have to take another bag. What the fuck I took this diary with me. So basically I'm okay, hi. It's 4:10. Okay, I'm going to just quickly wrap this video up because I have to edit and also upload this video. If there won't be any Wi-Fi, whatever, and my storage is also low. So I'm going to take this towel. Okay, but I won't wash my hair because it's hard water. And I'm going to just stay for 2 days. So I don't think I will take it. I don't know. Okay. And there's this diary. Okay. Before that, I'm completed, I guess. Okay. This is the makeup kit. This is like earrings and stuff. This is toiletries, and this is like cream and stuff. Removal. Oh, I need to put on nail polish. Take this because I look good on this. My brother just told me that. I'm going to take this, and then this rumal, then this things. I guess I'm going to wear this. This thing. Okay, this and this. This is for styling. I don't know what I'll do, but I'll just take everything. I want to take this, like my brother told me, take him also, but I'm not going to take it. I'm going to take this because like the old diary I can't take because I have wrote way too much. This one is nice. I didn't expect it to be that nice. I thought it's going to be normal. Okay, this is nice. The new diary. I'm going to write I'm going to write poetry. Thank you for watching and wish me a good trip. Bye. I'm going to update you guys. Bye.